Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Gmail not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now you will see click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on apps. You will see. So scroll down and search Gmail app. You will see search Gmail app. You will see Gmail app is here. So click on Gmail app. Now here scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix Gmail not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Gmail not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.